Terrific evening, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird Concorde 1, hello.
Hello, I'm ready to go at 10:30.
Okay, thank you.
Delivery, good evening, Speedbird Concorde 1 on stand 421 and requesting our departure.
Good evening, Speedbird 1, Compton 5 Juliet departure, squawk 7651, standard track Sierra Mike, information Golf, QNH 1021 millibars.
There's a Compton 5 Juliet 7651 the squawk, track Sierra Mike. We have Golf and we have 1021. Thank you.
Thanks, Speedbird 1, start time on the hour, ready for start now?
I think it might be 3 or 4 minutes.
Understood, report ready for start, please.
Delivery, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1.
Hello sir, ready to start in about 2 minutes time.
Thank you, Speedbird 1, as the start when ready, start time's now 18:10, and ground on 121.7 for push. Good night, for good trip.
Thank you, decimal 7 and 10 past this one. Thanks for all your help over the years.
More than welcome, good night.
Good night. Ground, good evening, Speedbird Concorde 1, pushback 8421.
Speedbird 1 on stand 421, your pushback is approved.
Pushback approved, Speedbird 1, thank you. Ground, hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, taxi in block 128.
Speedbird 1, stand by, I'll call you very shortly.
Sure.
Leader 2, ground.
Leader 2, go.
Leader 2, you happy for the Concorde to make his taxi now?
Ground, no, we'll need to come forward slightly.
Okay, alright, so how far do you want him forward? Just towards the end of the cul-de-sac?
Ground, power level 420 will be fine.
Okay, thank you very much. Break. Speedbird 1, Leader 2 is going to be marshalling you due to the people down there, and therefore your taxi is approved following the guidance of Leader 2.
Taxi 1, that's a bus double taxi forwards and we'll hold on the guidance of Leader 2.
Leader 2, pass your message.
Leader 2, not a problem. If you just want to give me a call when you're happy for him to taxi in.
Ground, Leader 2's ready.
Leader 2, Roger. Break. Speedbird 1, following the marshaller's signals within the cul-de-sac, follow the green lights, 1.09 right.
Copy, thank you, Speedbird Concorde 1, follow the marshal signals and we're clear of taxi, thank you.
Speedbird 1.
Go ahead.
Speed 1, slot now 1815. Have a good trip and monitor tower 1185. Bye-bye.
Thank you much indeed for all your help.
It's been a pleasure to see you today. Speedbird Concorde 1, after departing company 747 in front of you, line up and wait 9 right. Speedbird 1, departure instructions. Speedbird 1, after departure, right turn out onto a radar heading of 220 degrees, maintain altitude 6,000 feet. That's correct. Speedbird 1, clear takeoff 9 right, wind is 010 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear takeoff 9 right, Speedbird Concorde 1, thank you.
And Speedbird Concorde 1, this is the Captain Agent Thompson. I'd like to thank you for all ATC, all the fans at the end of the runway on their airband radios, all some of the media that supported this airplane over the years. I'd like to dedicate this last 001 takeoff, but I can say that if this magnificent machine was alive, it would be crying to be from experience.
Now, thanks for that, and we're all sorry up here as well.
3, 2, 1, now.
Speedbird 1, contact Heathrow 134.97, bye-bye.
13497, Speedbird Concorde 1, thanks a lot and goodbye.
I'll speak to you tomorrow, bye.
Delivery, hello, Speedbird, departures, hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, passing 4,000 feet for 6, heading 220.
Speedbird 1, Heathrow, squawk ident, no speed restriction.
Squawk ident, no speed, requesting further right 270 when available.
Speedbird 1, turn right heading 275 now, climb flight level 80.
Right heading 275, thank you, climb flight level 80, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1, contact London 134.12, bye-bye now.
13412, Speedbird Concorde 1, thanks, goodbye. And hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, everyone passing flight level, question 5,000 feet for flight level 80.
Speedbird 1, good evening, climb to flight level 110.
Flight level 110, Speedbird 1. Speedbird Concorde 1, may we level off at 70 briefly?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Speedbird Concorde 1, may we come left slightly heading 270?
Speedbird 1, yes, that's approved.
Thank you.
Speedbird 1, London.
Speedbird 1, go ahead.
Because apparently we know where you live.
Aha, thank you. There's nothing secret?
Apparently not in this place, no.
Speedbird Concorde 1 to climbing to flight level 110.
Speedbird 1, thank you, let me know when you're happy to turn right as well, please.
Thanks, so we'll turn right now, thank you.
Speedbird 1, thank you, right turn onto 315 degrees.
315 heading, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Morocco 804, continue descent flight level 80.
80, I'm Mark 804.
Airline 629, resume your on navigation direct to Southampton, Concorde, and your 11 o'clock range of about 5 miles, going to turn right and climb to underneath you.
Yeah, we're just looking at him actually, and to Samson, airline 69, thanks.
Speedbird 1, climb flight level 150.
Climb level 150, Speedbird 1.
Speedbird 1, it's been a pleasure. We'll miss you a lot. Report you're heading to London 134.75. Bye-bye.
Yeah, 13475. It's been our pleasure and privilege, and goodbye to you.
Thanks for your help as well.
And thanks for all your help, Speedbird Concorde 1.
You're welcome.
Hello, Speedbird Concorde 1, flight level 125 for 150, radar heading 315.
Speedbird 1, good evening, left turn now, radar heading 270.
Radar heading 270, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1, climb now, flight level 210.
Flight level 210, Speedbird Concorde 1, thank you.
Speedbird 1, climb now, flight level 260.
Flight level 260, Speedbird Concorde 1.
Speedbird 1, you're cleared direct the XL.
Direct the XL, Speedbird Concorde 1, thank you.
Speedbird 1, contact London, frequency 132.905. Have a good trip, and bye-bye.
132.95, Speedbird 1. Thanks for all your help over the years, and a very final goodbye from us.
It was a pleasure. Good night.
For your help, thank you. Speedbird Concorde 2.
Speedbird 2, London, good afternoon, go ahead.
Speedbird 150, descending 140, proceeding direct to Ockham, which if we kept the speed up, we would be there at 4.8. I think the intention from company is that nobody lands on the hour. They want us either all before the hour or all after. I think all before the hour doesn't look achievable. So I think what they're looking for is first landing 03, second 05.5, and us at 08. Okay, all we need to know then is how far you're going to take us downwind, and how far you're going to bring us in, so we can work out the time from Ockham to touchdown. Okay, we're continuing to Ockham. We're keeping the speed up for the moment.
1000 pitch, Concorde N, line 391.
London, Speedbird 2.
Speedbird 2, London, go.
Our calculations, assuming that we're going to be taking 20 miles downwind or 22 miles downwind and then a base leg 22 miles back again, we think we need about 17 minutes from Ockham to touchdown, and so we think we're going to need to come off Ockham at time 5:1.
That's understood, Speedbird 2, and what's your estimate for getting to Ockham at the moment?
We're just slowing to try and achieve that.
That's understood, Speedbird 2. Speedbird 2. Okay, the plan is after Ockham you'll be vectored over the top of Heathrow, then a right-hand downwind for a 20-mile final.
Okay, stand by.
We're estimating Ockham now at 50 and 30 seconds, and we're happy with whatever plans you and your colleagues want to make to try and reach that 03 to 08 touchdown window for the three aircraft.
Okay, Speedbird 2, yep, that's all in hand for the three of you. Descend now, flight level 90.
Speedbird 2, descend flight level 90.
Surgeon 23, repeat 2 for information. Alpha Fox is presently holding Ockham just inbound to the beacon. The South will be beneath him.
Speedbird 2, understood.
Speedbird 2, contact Heathrow Director now, frequency 134.907, and welcome home for the last time.
134.97, Speedbird 2, thanks very much indeed for all your help and your colleagues' help over all the years. We couldn't have done it without you.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye. Good afternoon. For the last time, Speedbird Concorde 2 is out of 100, descending 90 to Ockham.
Speedbird 2, roger. Enter the hole, but only going to be a very, very short delay.
Okay, enter the hold, and any idea how long the delay is so we can fine-tune our planning?
We probably just one orbit to the right.
Okay, Speedbird 2.
Tune